Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're gonna be checking out. Now, this is my first impression. This is my first impression of this group, Baby Don't Cry, or BDC. BDC. It's very close to BCD, which is a restaurant. But BDC, Baby Don't Cry. This is called F Girl. Now, F Girl. Interesting title track. This is my first time checking them out. They are a 4-member South Korean girl group from P Nation, size label. I'm glad they changed it to Baby Don't Cry as their group name, because they were also referred to under the name called P Girls, which I'm like, girl, I mean, you're making a song called F Girl. Also interesting, this is a group that's produced by Soyeon from Idol, right? And she wrote this song, right? F Girl? I feel like Soyeon would write a song called F Girl though. So I'm very curious. So having Psy, then you got Soyeon, and now a 4-girl group. I didn't realize they had a pre-debut song title called Bet You'll Regret It. I might have to check that out too. Let me in the comments down below if you want me to check that out. Be sure to follow my Instagram, TikTok. I got Patreon. I do Twitch. I haven't been streaming recently, but I will stream soon. We've been playing Five Nights at Freddy's, Secret of the Mimic. Oh my god, that scared me. Yo, hey, yo, Jackie, I was joking. We don't gotta play Jackie. We don't gotta play Jackie. Oh, hell no, we moving. Be sure to check out the full video on Dre Day, link in the description. Play my intro. All right, Baby Don't Cry, F Girl, MV. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Oh, cherries? Oh, it's a convenience store. I'm so sorry. I noticed the weirdest things. Are these saltine crackers outside of the box? What the stacking in this? What kind of convenience store is this? Is this just a last minute convenience store? What are these, toilet papers? There's one detergent. Okay, enough me looking at things. Okay, homegirl is going to the counter.
Hi.
Oh, what's she?
I'm Kumi.
Okay, Kumi. Okay, BDC up in the convenience store. Oh, books are lame. If this is what? Just want to play all day. If this is bad, then I'm game. I guess. Okay, homegirl's in the bathroom. What you want from me? I don't know. Okay, hair. Mom's in a nag mood. Damn, I just realized she came in a tank. What is that? Like a... looks like the Batmobile. Not really. Baby, don't cry. How do you say that? Ugh, what you want from me? Acharagoya? I don't know. Oh, she got a gem too. Oh, two gem. Helicopter. Oh. Oh, okay, interesting. C, D, E, F, girl. We're F girls. Like, they go against the grain. They're not like getting A's in school. I'm guessing. I don't know. And also, like, they just don't want to be controlled. Is it like a teen rebellion type of song? Oh, she's literally wearing like a funeral kind of like outfit. Oh. Oh, what do you want from me? Wait. Ha. Wait, what's that? Oh, not them coming down the hallway like that. It's almost like a girls want to have fun type of thing. Like, let me do whatever I want. Oh, the build-up of the song is actually really nice. The drums and the bass is heavy. We're girls who don't give up. Don't give a damn about the love. What the F? Oh, you know what it gives me? And I'm not trying to compare any of the artists really, but the first artist, or at least Western artist that kind of remind me of their music is a little bit of a maybe earlier Olivia Rodrigo songs, kind of like, or you know what I'm talking about? She said everybody F girl. Oh, everybody were F girls. Okay, dancers, let's go. I could see Soyeon's writing all over this. I feel like I know this dancer for some reason. I feel like I've seen her. Oh, wait, I know her too. Oh, there's some. Okay, wait, hold up. P Nation. Boys Don't Cry. Now, first listen. This is literally just first listen. Not even. I need to take more of a dive into the lyrics. But Baby Don't Cry, F Girl. It feels like a teen rebellion type of like teenage rebellion. Like it sounds like an old head guy. I am old, but it does seem like that. Where they want to do whatever they want. You can't control me. It's that teenage rebellion song. It still does remind me of like Olivia Rodrigo sound. I can't think of another example. If you guys could give me another examples, and not just to compare, it's just to like relate, like to what other songs it kind of sounds like or what the inspiration's from. John Soyeon produced. She produced it as well or just wrote it? I think of both, right? Correct me in the comments down below.
Hi. I'm Kumi.
Interesting that we're being introduced to Kumi. So now I don't really know all of the members' names. There's Kumi, Mia, Benny, and Ihyun. Ihyun. Okay. This is Benny. Correct me in the comments down below, please. Is this Ihyun? Okay, the blonde one's easy. The blonde one is Mia, and this is Yoonbi.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let me look at the lyrics actually. Okay. Baby don't cry. I like that. I want to learn how to say that. What you want from me? Besties are always fun. Mom's in there nagging. Yeah, it's like a really like teen rebellion. I just said what I thought, but they be calling me so rude. Okay. Baby don't cry. I like that. If you love me, if don't love me. Couldn't care less about your comments. I like that breakdown really good. I can't even talk. I like that breakdown. It's so good. I can't talk. With the drums and the bass. It's pretty simple, but it goes hard. Kumidayo. She's making a statement already. The nails though. That's kind of relatable. You know, I mean, they're like young and the lyrics are more younger. To a more younger audience to relate to. But I actually relate to that. Whether it be from the past or today. Love be so shady, friendship's always crazy. Can't trust no one, they all be like, you can count on me. Say that again? Why is that such a... I love that saying. I'll learn it. Oh my god. This got me shook. The flame to the tongue. Is that from... I feel like that's a scene from a movie. At least someone did it. I don't know if that's their inspiration. This part. is not the slippers. Not the slippers. This part. Okay. This is from Megan Fox's horror film where she's a demon and she did that. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. Is she out here in the balcony like this? If what is that? If you love me or if you don't love me. With the mannequins. I like this outfit here too. It's cute. It's really catchy actually.
We're girls who don't give a damn about the love.
True. Talk it. Talk it. Oh wait, there's a lot of big time dancers here too. I'm recognizing faces now. Hey! Oh, I like the diversity in the dancers too. Like, I feel like I've recognized some few people. Baby Don't Cry. Put comments down below what you guys think of Baby Don't Cry. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. If you want to check out the full music video by yourself without my commentary, link in the description as well. Baby Don't Cry, P Nation, F Girl. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.